Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about vegan diet plan for weight loss and grocery list. What is vegan diet? Veganism is an enormous topic encompassing nutrition, animal protection, food politics, and more. In this video, I'll introduce the concept and explain why it's easy and sensible to embrace. Why go vegan? A vegan lifestyle can support incredible health and protect huge numbers of animals, while simultaneously combating climate change. Plus, the food is insanely delicious and becomes more widely available every year. How to go vegan? If you want to go vegan, you don't have to figure everything out by yourself. This video covers every facet of what it takes to enjoyably transition to a vegan diet. By the time you finish watching, you'll know exactly how to move forward. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with vegan cookbook in the description of this video. The word vegan was originally defined as a diet free of meat, dairy products, and eggs. The term now also refers to any item, from shoes to shampoo, made without animal products. Vegan diets offer compelling advantages on several fronts. They keep farm animals out of slaughterhouses and factory farms. Choosing vegan foods can also benefit your health and protect the environment. A careful examination of the reasons to go vegan is well worth your time. But our objective right now is to quickly cover the basics. So let's keep watching. Are vegan diets healthy? People of every age thrive on vegan food. The most rigorous assessment of the healthfulness of vegan diets is documented by a position paper published by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. The authors determined that vegan and vegetarian diets can provide significant health benefits compared with non-vegetarian diets. Vegan diets can even support elite levels of physical fitness. In fact, some of the world's top athletes eat vegan. If a primarily vegan diet works for Tom Brady and Serena Williams, it can work for you. Going vegan offers a marvelous opportunity to upgrade your eating habits. You need never fall short on any particular nutrient. If required, a few supplements can cheaply and reliably close any gaps. In addition to proper nutrition, good health requires sufficient physical activity. How do you go vegan? Switching to a vegan diet requires remarkably little effort. Here's its most important lesson: don't emphasize cutting animal-based foods out of your diet. Instead, crowd them out by constantly discovering vegan foods you prefer. To rid your diet of animal products, focus on trying several new vegan foods each week. The more foods you try, the faster you'll progress. So, ideally, try at least one new vegan item every day. That can be a restaurant meal, a grocery item, or a new dish you cook at home. Vegan foods are everywhere. Vegans enjoy an abundance of flavorful food choices. Everywhere you look, you'll find more vegan foods to try. The easiest option is, of course, ready-to-eat foods. Sure, some of these foods are unhealthy indulgences. But you've got plenty of wonderfully healthy choices too. Sandwiches occupy a midpoint between convenience foods and actual cooking. You can make vegan sandwiches in thousands of healthy varieties. Buy large whole grain tortillas, and you can also turn any sandwich idea into a wrap. Going vegan doesn't mean giving up favorites like burgers, cream cheese, or yogurt. Dozens of companies make delicious vegan versions of these foods. The same goes for desserts. Vegan ice creams are marvelous and sold everywhere. And the best brownie and the best cookie I've ever eaten were both vegan. If you enjoy alcohol, many of the world's best wines and beers are vegan. And the vast majority of distilled spirits are vegan too. Vegan cooking. You can master the basics of vegan cooking in no time. Many vegan meals take just minutes to prepare. Your first vegan cookbook should specialize in quick and easy recipes. You can later move on to more sophisticated meals. As your cooking skills develop, your options increase. You can choose from hundreds of vegan cookbooks that collectively cover every conceivable cooking niche. Consider buying one specifically devoted to your favorite cuisine. You can also go deep into any branch of vegan cooking that interests you. Maybe it's desserts or instant pot recipes. There are even cookbooks focused entirely on vegan meats and cheeses. Once vegan cooking becomes second nature, why not commit to going vegan at home? This move requires practically no effort, since you have total control over which foods you bring into your kitchen. Yet this simple commitment puts you a giant step closer to going entirely vegan. Vegan restaurant meals. Eating out lets you discover all sorts of exciting new dishes. Vegans have countless excellent restaurant choices. No matter where you live or visit, chances are there's great vegan food near you. Thousands of vegan and vegetarian restaurants exist worldwide. Dining out is a joy when the entire menu is vegan. Many non-vegetarian restaurants work hard to please vegans and offer superb vegan dishes. These places often label their vegan menu items, which makes ordering easy. Lebanese and Israeli cooking is especially vegan-friendly. These restaurants serve outrageously good falafel, hummus, and salads. Italian and Ethiopian restaurants also offer a variety of enticing vegan meals. If you travel abroad, you can get sensational vegan restaurant food unlike anything available at home. That's doubly true if you seek out the country's favorite vegan dishes. On top of all this, vegan fast food is everywhere. That's a big change from just a few years ago. Most of the top chains now feature delicious vegan items. Vegan apparel and beauty. As you transition your diet, you may also decide to shift other lifestyle choices. Avoiding leather and wool makes great sense. Vegan clothing and apparel is easy to find. You can likewise switch to cruelty-free beauty products. Just start with the easy stuff and work your way forward. Grow your vegan no. That finishes this vegan introduction. You can make use of the vegan concept to eat and live more healthfully, in a way that reflects your values. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.